Hey everybody, welcome to Life at Sunny Lee with Kathy Jarvis. And today it's Wednesday and we're going to do our review. And our review is on the vertical planners that I bought. Now these are the planners that I got from Amazon. I got them and they were on sale. And I haven't filled this one yet, but the one over here I've filled. And it's been going for about a month now, and you can see the strawberries are doing great in it. The only thing it has that little tray you see at the bottom. I had that originally underneath there, but it was catching too much water, and I was afraid this winter it would freeze. So I took it off, and I'm just leaving it drain into the ground. If you were having this inside the house, it would work well. The only problem I have with the little tray at the bottom is that when you water the plants, it's hard to judge how much water to give them without overflowing that tray below. And there's no way to drain that tray if you do overflow it, except for putting rags or paper towels or something in it, because the whole thing is hard to lift. You have to lift it in separate. You can't lift the whole thing up to take that tray out and empty it. But for out here in the greenhouse without the tray, it does wonderful. I'll use the tray inside the house for my houseplants, so it's not going to waste. It did come with little tools, which are not much use for out in the greenhouse, but they're kind of cute. And kids would enjoy playing with them. And they work for houseplants. So, they're easy to fill. They come in a small little box because they all nestle into each other for storage when they first come. So, and then the inside has a water reserve thing to keep some water in. It has hose in the bottom that allows the water to drain. They just stack very nicely, like that. They have a center hole in them that you could put a rod down the center if you wanted to permanently put them outside and didn't want the wind to move them at all. Or it comes with these little plugs that you simply put into the bottom here and push up, and that keeps your dirt inside without falling out. So overall, so far, I've had these for about a month. Put strawberries in that one. I'm going to put lettuce and spinach in this one, and we'll see how they do over the winter. But right now, I'm pretty pleased with them because they've freed up a whole bed vertically versus the 4x8 bed down here. So I'm liking them so far. Alright, well, these come in different sizes. You can get 3-tier, 5-tier, 6-tier, or 7-tier. They come in different colors. They come in teal, light gray, clay red, dark gray, pine green, and they're made out of plastic, which is not water resistant, yeah. It's unfading, it's weather resistant, and it holds up to 40 pounds per tier. Then it has this holding board, which I showed you, the black board that went inside, and that is to help maintain the humidity in the soil, helps drain away the excess water, and lets the air in to protect the roots. It has a self-draining system and watering system. You only have to water the top 2 levels, and it leaks through. It holds a maximum of 28 plants. Each tier can hold 0.11 cubic feet of soil, and they're deep enough to allow plenty of room for the roots to grow. You can combine them as much as you want, from 1 tier all the way up to 3 to 7 tiers You don't have to use all 7 tiers stacked at one time. You can do them however you want to. They're steady, space saving, easy to move, and they're 13.6 inches from one edge to the other, and they have the wheels on the bottom of the tray that allows you to move it in any direction to pull it in and out of the sun as needed. It will hold up to 150 pounds, and it glides pretty good across smooth surfaces. So, and also you don't have to water it as much because it has those little water reserves in it that kind of hold some water. So you can leave it go for a while before you have to water. So far, I'm really liking these. So, remember, like, share, subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye, everybody.